So we'll get a quick little video here. Part one is going to be teardown of a 24 valve Cummins. It came out of an industrial application. We're actually going to take this engine, build it up to about 900 horse, and the customer is actually installing it into a hot rod. So stay tuned for that. All right, guys, so what you're looking at now is essentially after teardown, after the cleanup process. We're in the process of getting everything ready to ship to the machine shop. As you can tell in the time lapse, we did have to go back and drive out cylinders 4 and 5. It had sat for a little while. There was a little bit of rust start to develop around those rings in the cylinder wall. Luckily, we were able to get those drove out. Looks like everything's going to clean up with a nice hone job, and we'll be able to put this thing back together and hopefully make some power. Be sure to stick around for part 2 as we put this thing back together.